In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L3267 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download and use these resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, include Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable antivirus for a while, then you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download the file, you can right-click on the file and select Extract All. Please click Extract button here. After that, you can open the folder, then run the adjustment programs. Before you run the adjustment programs, for the first time, you need to input the password. Password is on these txt files. Okay, then you can run the adjustment programs. In here, you can click Select button. After that, select model name to Epson L3267 printer and click OK. After that, you can click particular adjustment mode button here and select washing pad counter. Okay, then you can click OK. Don't forget to tick main pad counter option, pattern pad counter, and ink system pad counter. After that, you can click check button. Then you can click initialize button. After the resetting is successfully, you can click finish and immediately turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. In any case you face error, you can try to moving your USB printer into another available port on your computers. After that, you can try to repeat the resetting process. And that's all tutorial how you can reset Epson L3267 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comments below. Thanks for watching and hope this video helpful for you.